Oh. Yeah. There she is too. And one of the return lines down there is also fucking pissing. And there the leak is right there. So I took the old fitting out of here, out of the filter right here. Got this new little fitting right here. Fuel line. And then run the line probably back under there, and then fuck the main pressure line goes up into this little quick disconnect right there. Fuck all this other bullshit. Had to weld on a new bolt right there because she's rusty as shit. Yeah, she's a beaut though. It's got some repair line. See there. Seamless copper nickel. 3/8 by 60 inches. UA stiff standard flare. This is actually what I'm going to be using. I just found this lying around the shop. It fits in there. It has the exact same flare and this little rubber grommet on there. And some compression fittings.
What, you recording? You fucked up?
This is a wild Mexican. I'll see if we can get it back in there Monday. Got it up there, got the little compression fitting right on there. It's got it zip tied all the way back. A couple zip ties, tank down. Got a new bolt in there. Got a new bolt, and you can see I had to tack that little nut up there onto the bracket. And got a new bolt up there. And she's looking good.